In this video I'm going to show you how to send file on Telegram. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Telegram and then select some conversation, some user you need to send file. I'll select that one, and there to send a file first you need to tap on that staple icon right here, and then you can select a bunch of different options like send from gallery, like send file, send location and send contact. In that case I will select send a file, and here I see different files that are saved on my device, and then to send that file I'll just select that, and now I see that file was successfully sent. In Telegram you can send any kind of files, and you here have unlimited and completely totally free storage to save all your files. And that's a great feature, I think. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.